Mr. Dam, should we wash chicken? What do you think? I've discovered that it is a cultural preference. I'm Haitian, and down in the Caribbean, yes, we wash chicken, we wash the fish, we wash the beef, we wash it all. Now, to those of you who do not, let me tell you a story. When I was in college at Norfolk State University, I was an intern in North Carolina at a chicken plant for the USDA for the summer. And I saw some things, okay? I recommend that you wash your chicken. Now, if salmonella spread is a concern for you, what I recommend that you do is, ladies, you recognize this bottle very well, I'm sure. This is a hairspray bottle. Just pour some bleach on there and then have yourself some soap. This, for me, I love Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day bottle. You spray your sink with both of them, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then you sanitize your area. And you also want to make these towels, make kitchen towels your friends. I have, my goodness, I have tons and tons of these, okay? Just to keep your area clean, all right?